Learn how to dry cut a curly bob with curtain bangs to enhance natural movement and texture. You will learn everything you need to know to dry cut, refine and diffuse style a perfect curly bob. Or zone out our haircut using the natural parting from the crown to behind the ear on both sides. Our first section is a horizontal section running across from the lower occipital bone. Using a wide tooth comb and fingers to direct my section down, I point cut above my fingers, placing my guide for the haircut. If I cut above my fingers, I'm adding graduation into the curly line. The hair gets shorter internally, which pushes the weight and volume up and makes the perimeter sit softer and more rounded instead of heavy or solid. Before refining our section, we check for balance. To refine the section as we go, we direct the section down with firm tension. The hair that jumps up is our one length curly line and the hair left out is removed. This process will remove any tighter curls that could fall out and hang out below the line once dry. Keeping in mind, all curly follicles have different elasticity. We take our next section approximately 1.5 inches in width. The section's width is based on the hair's density. We continue the same process using our first section as our visual guide, taking large sections, point cutting above the fingers, using the elasticity of the curl to control our shape, encouraging graduation, which increases bounce and natural movement, work with the hair texture instead of against it. We complete the back in 3 large sections. Depending on how much length is being removed, you can club cut the haircut in one section without using a comb, cutting the hair where it sits naturally before starting this process. We take a horizontal section in the side zone using the guide from the back zone to cut our guide. You will notice here how I club cut my first section before starting. My first section runs across the parietal ridge. We continue the same process as the back zone. The side zone is completed in 2 sections. It feels crazy to be cutting with such large sections being a precision cutter, although curls really do need to be cut differently to achieve the best results. Dry cutting is an incredible tool for wavy and straight hair textures to enhance natural movement, lived-in texture, and best for longevity. We are getting closer to